Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to create a basic job application tracker using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. First, let me explain what is this project is about and what are we going to do, and I will show you the completed app on the screen so you can understand it better. So in this app, we have a header section, and in the header section consists of a heading and a toggle button, and this toggle button is for changing the theme into dark mode and into light mode. Then there is a main section, and the main section consists of two parts, and in the first part it includes two input field and a button. So in the input field we can give a job name, something like this, and we can give a company name, something like this, and when we press on the add button it will display on the second section. So on the second part is mainly for displaying this job title and the company name you entered in a grid system in boxes. Okay, so there is also a responsive design that you are going to study in this project. This app adjusts to different screen sizes using media query. So this is all about the introduction of our project. Let's start building it by step. For this project to start, we need a folder, and I am going to create it in my desktop. Right click on the mouse, new, and create that folder. And I'm going to give it a name as job application tracker system. Enter. Then open that folder. Then type cmd /space dot enter. Now our folder is open in the Visual Studio Code, and I am going to create three files. First one is index.html file, index.html, and the second one is style.css, and third one script.js. Now our files are ready. Next we are going to start our coding. So in the index.html file, we are going to code the HTML. In the head section, we need a title for our application, and I am going to give this as job application tracker. Then I'm going to link my style.css file using link tag. In the body section, I need a header tag and a main tag. So first I am going to create this header tag, and inside header tag I need a heading tag, so I need a h1 tag for that, and I'm giving the heading as job application tracker here. Then I need a button tag for creating a button to toggle the theme. So in button tag I'm going to give an ID for this as theme toggle, and I'm going to provide a name as toggle theme. To understand, this button is for changing the theme of the body. So this is in the header part. Next we are going to create the main tag. So the main tag consists of two sections. The first section is for adding the job. So I am giving an ID as add job here. And in this section, we need two input tag for user input, one for job title and second for company name. In the first input tag, I'm going to create an ID. So this is for job title. So I'm giving the ID as job title as follows. And I'm also providing a placeholder here as job title. Okay, and in the next input tag, the ID is company name. And the placeholder, I'm going to put this as company name. Okay, so after these two input tag, I need a button to add this job title and company name into my grid system. For that, I'm using a button tag, and here I'm going to provide its name as add button or add job. And I need an ID for this button, so I'm giving this ID as add job btn as button. Okay, so this is all about the first section, and the next section, this is for creating the job list. So I am providing an ID as job list here. And in this section, I'm just commenting that I'm going to create a job list here. We basically create this job list using CSS and JavaScript in the next section of this video. Okay. Next is we have to link our script .js file. It's an external file, so in order to do that, we use script tag as follows. Now our HTML code is complete, and we can go live on this HTML page, and it will look like this. So next, we are going to give color and structure to our web page, our Java application tracker, and in order to do that, we use style.css file. So let's get into CSS code. In this CSS file, the first thing we are going to do is setting up the root variables, and these variables will define the colors and styles for both light theme and dark theme. So root, then I'm going to give the background color for light theme. So for that, I'm creating a variable background light, and for the background light, I'm giving the color as F9. So this will create a white shaded color. Then I'm going to provide the dark theme or dark color for the background as for this variable, I'm going to create it as follows: background dark, and for the dark color, I'm providing this as 2C, 2C, 2C. Yeah, this will be a nice dark color. This will create a nice dark color as the background. Then in the light theme, the text color would be a black, so I am going to create a variable for that. So text light, for that I'm going to provide this black color, and for text dark we need a whitish color. I'm going to provide this as FFF, so it will provide a whitish color for the text. Then we also going to create this cards, little cards in the grid system. So for this card we also need to change their background as the background theme changes. For that I'm going to set the background color of the card as follows: card VG light. This is for the light theme, the card color for the light theme, and it will be FF, white theme, and card color for the dark theme is card BG, then dark. So I'm going to provide a gray shade for this as follows. So that will be it. Next I'm going to style the body a little bit. So for that I'm going to use the body tag, and in the body tag I'm going to set the margin as 0, and first in the body tag I will provide the background color as a variable, and the variable name I'm providing here is the background light for the light theme. So here background color, then background color for the light theme, and as for the color parameter which set the color of the text, use and text color for the light theme. Next we need a transition here. It's a small animation for transitioning the theme. So as for the transition, I'm giving this transition or animation for the background color, and I need a 2-second ace transition for this. Also for color I need a 2-second it's an ace transition. So I will get a transition here when I click on the toggle button. Then I'm going to set up the body for the dark theme, and for that body dot dark, and here background color using the var variable, and that's dark. I'm setting it as dark. Then color var, then will be in the dark theme. So this is all about our body. I'm also going to change the font family. So I'm going to use this font family parameter here. and just going to click on this first value. So our page is still looking like this, and the toggle theme button is not working here because we need a JavaScript for this to work. So next I'm going to explain how this dark theme is going to work using the JavaScript. For that, let's get into the script.js file. Here I'm going to create a variable, a constant variable, and its name is theme toggle. And here I'm going to assign document dot get element by ID and theme toggle. So the theme toggle is the ID of that toggle theme button in our HTML page. So this is our toggle theme button, and we provided the theme toggle ID here. So in order to connect these two, we are providing the same ID in the script.js file. After that, I am going to create an add event listener using this theme toggle. For that, theme toggle dot add event listener, and first I'm going to set this as click. So while clicking on the theme toggle button, it will change the background. That's the idea here. So click. Then I'm going to create an anonymous function here. So in this anonymous function, I'm going to set the code for changing the background. So document dot body dot class list. Then in this class list we need a toggle function, and toggle function we're taking the dark theme. Okay, so this is it.